These are one of the most beautiful apartments around town. Today, we are touring this newly built modern estate situated on a high cliff with amazing views that are nothing short of breathtaking. This property is all about embracing its incredible surroundings. Our goal with this tour is simple: bringing you closer to the experience and show you what it's like to be here. So let's get started. As soon as you enter the apartment, you have a waiting area that has a shoe rack, a cabin, and a waiting chair. On the left, you have a dining and a sitting room as well, fully furnished with nice wood. As you go outside, you have a nice balcony. The balcony that has really nice scenic views that you can enjoy when you're on the balcony of the apartment. This room really has a nice screen and nice paintings. Yeah, on our right we have the kitchen that has nice cabins, an oven, a microwave, and as you can see, it's finished with a marble finishing on top. On the left hand side we have a laundry room that has a washing machine that can help you clean up your laundry. When you come to the hallway, on the right hand side we have a shared bathroom. On the left hand side we have the guest bedroom. When we come to the guest bedroom, it really has a nice bed. It has table lights where you can put your lights. It really has a good balcony where you can enjoy the scenic views of the place. And it really has a good couch where you can sit and relax when you're inside here. What I want you guys to remember, each guest bedroom has a bathroom and a wardrobe in it. So this guest bedroom also has a bathroom and a wardrobe. So when we come back to the hallway, on our left we have the kids bedroom. The kids bedroom welcomes you with a bathroom and 2 beds as well. If you have 2 kids, then that's good for you. If you have like 3, you can utilize this one plus the guest bedroom. So the kids bedroom has a nice wardrobe that looks really good. Now, after leaving the kids bedroom, we are going to the master bedroom. Here we are entering the master bedroom. It really has a nice glass, it has a table, it has a couch and a big bed that is really good and comfortable for luxury. So when you come out to the balcony, you can also enjoy the views of the lake. Remember, this apartment is near the lakeside. So when we go to the bathroom of the master bedroom, it has the nice shower and it also has a nice wardrobe. It's a grey one and it looks really good. When you enter this house, it's a home of comfort. So if you've managed to reach here, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment to the video so that we can bring you more videos like this.